Hey yo, first day back in the office in like a month. If y'all been following me, you've been seeing I've been on the road, touring, keynoting, speaking, workshopping, facilitating, all that cool stuff. But this beat me to the office. I love coming home to packages. Everybody be getting me right, so I love coming back to the office after a while and getting packages. But let's check out what we got. I was gonna do it in here, but I think this is gonna be kind of big. So let's get out of the lab. Let's go to the actual office. Set you up. Alright, so let's see what we got. Straighten you out a little bit, cool. Come on. Let's go, man. So if y'all haven't been following, I worked for a day at a company called Caster Concepts. I was blown away by the team. When I got there, this was already like hanging up in the shop. And when I left, I asked them could I have it. And all of the people signing for me because the real truth is, I'm just the face, I'm out here, but these people right here, these American manufacturers right here, these the real stars of the show, man. If you want to see how Caster Concepts gets down, you can follow my first day. It's coming out next month, July 9th, I believe. We shot a whole movie. You guys are gonna see the intricacies of why employees that have power, that are empowered, that have integrity in what they do, that have passion for what they do, makes America make the greatest parts and the highest quality parts because people care, and that's what's going on here. That's why they've been the leader in caster production for generations, and they're not slowing up anytime soon. I don't want to give it all away, but coincidentally, Caster just dropped the trailer, so I'm going to play it at the end of this video. You're going to see it in a second. Check it out. Let me know what you think. And July 9th, we're going to have the full video dropping. Caster Concepts, thank you so much. I'm going to find the wall for this to go on, and we're going to get it cracking. You know what I'm saying? MFG, made in USA, bring back blue collar. Caster Concepts, thank you so much.
Check this out.